So for today's video, I'm going to share to you products that will actually make you glow. Products that will like brighten up your face. Products that will give you that right amount of dewiness or sheen. But please do take note na itong mga products na to, ito yung mga current kong ginagamit. And you don't have to use everything ng sabay-sabay. Pero, you know, for the sake of demo purposes, gagamitin ko silang lahat ng sabay-sabay. Okay, so syempre umpisahan natin with the skincare. You guys, ang dami-dami ko ng ni-review and recommend sa inyo ng mga skincare that will brighten, that will hydrate, and smoothen your skin. Pero eto, yung current kong ginagamit. That's why I'm showing to you guys for the first time. I am talking about itong PNUS Triple Glow Serum. And this is what the bottle looks like. This is what the applicator looks like. It's a serum, you guys. So alam mo, pag ginamit mo to, pwede mong gawin yung paboritong style ng mga beauty content creators, yung igagano nila sa skin nila, ganun. And you guys, I've been using this for 2 weeks and counting. As you can see, hanggang dito na lang siya. So merong tatlong main ingredients yung serum na ite. Meron siyang tinatawag na Gluta Boost C. Ang sabi dito, it works 60 times better. 60 times better than vitamin C to effectively brighten your skin and fade the dark spots. Meron siyang niacinamide that minimizes the appearance of visible pores and smoothens the skin. And then meron siyang hydrating hyaluronic acid complex na nag-hydrate ng skin at yun yung parang magpapadewy ng skin mo. But you guys, this is not an instant glowing, brightening effect. This is a skincare. Meaning, kailangan mo itong gamitin for quite some time before you can see results. And I am seeing results, you guys. Take note, hindi siya whitening. It's brightening. Meaning, hindi ka puputi, pero aaliwalas day, yung mukha mo day. Aaliwala. Tapos magsusmoothen, magiging supple, tapos alam mo yung parang ang soft niyang ganunin. And so far, so good. I am enjoying it. Walang negative reaction yung skin ko. So kung nagsastart ka pa lang in building your skincare routine, skincare lineup, and you wanna try a serum, like wala ka masyadong time mag-research kung ano ba yung mga magandang serum, I do suggest itry mo tong PNUS Bright. Because so far, so good. I mean, don't mind my dark under eyes because I started working for ABS-CBN again, guys, for MOR Manila, MOR Digital. So, puyatan na naman ng drama because working from home is so difficult. Because I gotta be a mom, but I gotta work. Gawa ko lang ng full-time yung trabaho ko kapag katulog na yung baby ko, which is gabi. Thank God, I have the PNUS Bright Serum at hindi super lala yung itsura ko. I'm super stressed right now. I'm super stressed with work, pero hindi siya kita sa mukha ko. So thank you. I love you. You're my favorite, current favorite, highly recommended. Next product, guys, that I guarantee you will help you glow up. It's gonna give you that glow, that dewy, that sheen. It's a sunscreen, you guys. Actually, karamihan naman ng mga sunscreens nakakapagbigay talaga ng glow. Like instant glow. Pero ito yung favorite ko kasi wala siyang white cast. By the way, I'm talking about yung Hiii Glow Boost Water Cream. As I was saying, wala siyang white cast. It's really like fluidy. It's really liquidy and mabilis siya like mag-absorb. Hindi siya parang, alam mo yung ibang mga sunscreen na masyadong malagkit, madrag sa skin. No, it's not like that. So I really love it. So after the serum, at daytime, ito yung sinusunod ko, yung sunscreen. Kahit nandito lang ako sa bahay, you guys, I still put sunscreen because kahit yung hangin na pumapasok sa bahay, lalo na kapag mainit, alam mo yun, may something eh. And also, guys, don't forget, lagyan nyo rin yung leeg nyo at yung batok nyo. My God, isa yun sa pinagsisihan ko. Last year lang ako talaga naging super dedicated in putting on sunscreen. Kaya lang, it's too late na. Lalo na kapag alam mo yung maglalakad sa labas. Usually, di ba pag maaraw, nakaganon tayo. Dahil, ganyan-ganyan. Hindi mo napapansin yung batok mo ang naaarawan at nangingitim. Lalo na nung pumapasok pa ako sa ABS-CBN pre-pandemic, hinahatid sundo ako ni hubby, tapos nagmamotor kami. So, alam mo yun, yung araw talaga, tirik na tirik, at yung talagang tinatamaan is yung batok ko. So, pinagsisisihan kong hindi ko nilalagyan ng sunscreen yung batok ko. So, don't forget to put sunscreen on your batok. Love your batok the way you love your face. Next product, guys. Ito talaga, my God, super duper favorite ko. Always raving about this sa inyo, guys. Always recommending this every chance I get. Ito yung Pond's Insta Bright Glow Up Cream. Ito, together with your sunscreen, instant glow. And what I love about this one is tatlo yung shade na pagpipilian mo. Meron siyang parang golden, meron siyang parang ma-pinky, and then what I have currently using is yung Pearly Aura, which is yung just the plain white. And I feel like is ito sa mga underrated products, you guys, kasi parang wala akong masyadong naririnig na nagre-rave about this, but I love it so much. It's so raveable. Pero eto, Day, ilalagay ko dito, Day, kasi pampaganda talaga siya ng ano. Parang kala mo, ang kinis-kinis mo. Oh, ayan. Next product, guys, is an eyebrow product, and ito, hindi to literal na magbibigay sa'yo ng glow, pero i-share ko na rin because I've been loving these eyebrow products for a couple of days na. Bagong getching ko lang ite, so I am using and abusing it. I'm talking about itong sa KJM Cosmetics Brow Define. Kung nag-upisa ka pa lang sa makeup and you wanna try yung mga parang pencil, mga felt tip liquid liners, eyebrow line. How do I call it exactly? Basta yan, yung mga pen type na brow product, you can start here. Kasi yung shade niya is, mag-uumpisa siyang like light. Pero you can build it up. Pwede mo siyang pakapalin ng bonggang-bongga. So, I really love this kasi beginner-friendly, pero kahit na hindi ka beginner sa makeup, kung alam mo yun, gusto mong dahan-dahanin yung eyebrows mo kasi aminin mo, Day, yung mga araw na it's not a good brow day, so kailangan mo manalig dun sa brow product na gamit mo. At nananalig naman ako dito, Day. Super easy to use, not intimidating, and yun nga, buildable. So, I do recommend itry nyo ite. I'm going to use yung black. Ang style ko is nakaganyan siya. Then I will slowly do some strokes to fill in the sparse areas. Diba? Parang ang dali lang niyang gamitin, Day. Yun may difference. Next product, guys, is our base. And for my base, this is my ultimate favorite talaga if I want to look glowy, dewy, glass skin, mirror skin. It's the BOK Cosmetics Illuminating Skin Tint. I'm using the shade Butterscotch, and I am telling you, pangatlong tube ko na yan. Like, this one is a skin tint, pero meron siyang coverage. Buildable coverage. Pwede mo siyang gamitin ng parang pang pa-even up ng skin mo lang, pero pwede mo siyang gamitin like full pakak, but still, you know, natural looking. Pero for today, gusto ko lang i-even out yung skin tone ko. So, light lang tayo. Ilang beses ko nang ni-rave yung skin tint, you guys, and it will be my forever favorite. One of my forever favorites. Ugh. My God, you guys, my lighting is tripping because kumukulimlim and then biglang bobongga yung araw and then kukulimlim. So, I'm so sorry. I'm using natural lighting. Oh my God. Alright, so next product, guys. I-mention ka kasi mag-OOA na tayo. Pero, if you're not using any glowy, dewy products initially, and then, alam mo yun, matte everything, but somehow you wanna put a little bit of oomph to your overall look, you wanna put a little bit of sheen or dewy-ish effect, Skin Potions. Skin Potions Glow Dust is my go-to setting powder if everything is dry or matte and I want to amp it up a little bit. Ito yung ginagamit ko kasi meron siyang really tiny specks of shiny, shimmering, splendid. Huwag mo lang i-overlagay kasi dahil kikinang ka talaga ng bonggang-bongga. Pero with the proper application, right amount of powder, bongga. I super love this. Pero eto, sapat na yan, Day. Baka magmukha na tayong grease ball pag ginamit ko pa yon. For my eyeshadows, Day, for some reason, meron ako i-recommend sa inyo. And it's another product from BLK. Ito yung, I'm so sorry, it looks dirty. BLK Cosmetics Love Story Bridal Collection Eyeshadow Palette. And you guys, I really love this eyeshadow palette kasi kung gusto niyo ng like natural looking with a little bit of glowy, shiny, shimmering, sheen, dewy finish, lahat na ng similar terms sa glowy, ginamit ko na, no? Pero I super love the quality of this eyeshadow palette and this is good for everyday. So ang gagamitin yung shade since we're trying to achieve that glowy look is this one right here. So I'm just going to use my fingers, then slowly but surely apply it on my lids. So yeah, ganyan lang. So mag-eyeliner lang ako, guys. And gagamitin ko itong Pink Flash eyeliner. And then we're going to proceed to the next products. For mascara, gagamitin ko tong sa Perfect Diary. I love this one if I want a more natural looking lashes, not so much on like the kapal, but more on like the spider-like hairs. Oh, di dumilim na. Jujulanis na, Day. O, diba, ang dramatic ng naging pagbabago sa lighting natin. Day, uulan na, sorry. Anyway, next product, you guys, is the blush. For the blush, meron akong dalawang recommendation. If ma-powder person ka, what I recommend to get that glowing blush or to maintain that glow is yung Maybelline Fit Me blush nila. So, ito yung itsura. This one is in the shade Wine. It has a little bit of sheen to it. So, alam mo yun, hindi matte powder, hindi dry looking yung blush mo. So, kung... Oh, good God, our dogs. Anyway, so kung ma-powder ka, I do recommend this one. Pero for my look right now, napupusuan ko gamitin ang cream or gel cream. Guys, this one is one of the best blushes I've ever tried, like gel cream wise, because medyo sheer siya. So you still have that glow, you still have that sheen and skin-like effect. Para lang siyang didikit or magme-melt sa skin mo, and buildable siya. So alam mo yon, hindi siya nakakatakot like damihan ng lagay kasi nga sheer lang siya. Hindi siya yung parang isang pahid para kang sinapakagad, alam mo yon. So, I'm just going to apply it. Very blendable din. Ayan o. Ayan. Oh, hindi siya dry looking. Hindi siya flat matte. Well, depende on your preference. It gives me the glow or it retains the glow of my base while putting like tint on my cheeks. Also, guys, one of the makeup techniques that I do if I want to look youthful or just fresh, I don't put anything sa under eyes. Not even the mascara kasi sometimes mascara tend to smudge dito sa under eye lashes ko. So, alam mo yon, wag na. Guys, I know this is so glowing and dewy na and shiny, shimmering, splendid. But I'm still going to put a little bit of highlight. These are not necessarily highlighters. It's more like luminizers. Pang-illuminate lang talaga. Pero hindi yung pang, alam mo yun, blinding highlight from Sunny's Face. Ito yung kanilang face glass. And my favorite one to use is the shade Nova. Yan siya, guys. It's really creamy. It's going to give you that really nice skin-like finish, sheen. Alam mo yun? I'm going to put it here sa inner corners and then a little bit sa under eyes. I'm not sure if the lighting is giving justice to my makeup right now. Ang dilim na talaga sa labas, guys. Anyway, for my lips, you can wear whatever on your lips. Nasa sayo naman yon sa pagdadala mo or sa trip mo. Pero I feel like red lipsticks is one of the shades na talaga nagpapa-oomph ng, alam mo yon, ng itsura mo, ng bonggam-bongga. And guys, one of my favorite red lippies is from KJM Cosmetics. And it's the shade Red Queen. And I think I featured this ilang beses na. I used this ilang beses na on cam. And the love is still there. Wait, let me show you. Oh, diba, Day? Dai, I'm telling you, red lipsticks, well, depending on your skin tone, depending on your undertone, red lipstick can really brighten up, can really open up your face, para kang welcoming aura or something like that. And this one is really one of my favorites, itong Red Queen ng KJM Cosmetics. Kasi parang, ayun, cutie pie ka, Dai. Parang you're like stress-free. But anyway, yung another option you can do is a lip tint and a little bit of lip gloss. Now, one of my favorite lip tints talaga of all time is from Skin Potions, yung Sugar Flush. My favorite shade is in Cherry Bomb. I'll just apply it like this. And then guys, ipapartner ko siya with my favorite lip gloss of all time. It's colorless, yes, but eto na siguro yung lip gloss na nakaka-erase talaga ng linya ng labi. Alam mo yun, nakaka-plump looking, nakaka-luscious, volume looking ng lips. Oh yeah, this is from Vice Cosmetics X Anklets Collection, yung lip gloss. So ito yung nabi ko in normal situation. Alright guys, so eto na yung final look natin. Again, you don't have to use all of the products at the same time. But yeah, sana kahit paano, I was able to give you tips and tricks and product suggestions kung sakaling hindi nyo pa na to try. Thank you so much for watching guys. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the bell button para may notification ka every time mag-upload ako ng video or every time magagawin akong kung anik-anik. And thank you so much. I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye!